Yo, what's up guys? Sekwena here. Today is Tuesday, second day of the week. Let's see what this market has for us today.
Get your ass up!
First of all, stay blessed. Hope you're still following your trading plan, guys. And one thing that I want you guys to know is that I saw that last week we actually took more losses. I think we won, it's like 50-50, we ended up the week in break even. But one thing that I want you guys to know is that no matter how perfect your strategy is, it will never be 100% winning ratio. Show me someone who has a strategy with 100% winning ratio and I'll show you someone who doesn't trade. But anyway, my content is about real content. I'm showing you guys the day in, day out. I'm even waiting for a payout now. With the strategy that's taking losses, it's not about how much you lose, how you manage your trades, how much you risk per trade. But anyway, I'm trying to find my clue on how the market is moving. But it looks like I'm looking for buys. I am seeing that, okay, the market might actually switch. It has been dropping, but it might switch direction, maybe up to this point. But anyway, guys, as you watch me analyze, I want to reiterate this. I had the same problem. I remember I'm doing 5 years trading right now. I remember when I was doing my 3rd year, even close to my 4th year, I had the same problem. Every time after taking an L, after losing for a week or something, or even 2 days in a row, 3 days in a row, I would go back to the drawing board, because I feel like as traders, we have this thing of after a loss, go back to the drawing board. Even when we started trading, we were told that, that's what we were told. Go back to the drawing board and fix. But before I got profitable, there's something that clicked and I realized that it's not actually the strategy, it's the approach. Because no matter what strategy you are using, you'll always take a loss. So it doesn't mean that you will always fix something, you'll always change strategies, which is wrong. No one does that. Professional traders don't do that. They take the loss and they accept the loss, as long as you manage your risk.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care. Let me tell you we don't care.
When you start the day, you know that, okay. But anyway, guys, I'm trying to analyze here. I know I'm talking a lot. Apologies. But anyway, guys, I just placed my Fibonacci tool. I'm looking for a buy. I'm thinking if I buy as the market is just right here, but I'm looking for the market to go up to the 0.236 level before I actually look to buy. Because even now, you see it's breaking. Let me just put it. It has broken this 0.5 zone. So if I enter now, my stop loss, yes, it will be fine, but you can't enter when you see the market is dropping. I want to see that. Maybe yes, if the market is dropping and it's on this level right here. Input, yeah, if the market breaks this zone, and the zone on the 0.36, actually, if it doesn't break here, then I know that it might buy. But I'm thinking that it's gonna break just to go to that 0.36. So, but guys, as I was saying, I'm just gonna continue analyzing as I'm saying this, because I know there's someone who does the same mistake. After you lost for 2 days in a row, 3 days in a row, sometimes, I'm not saying always, sometimes it's not your strategy. Especially if you followed your plan, you risked everything that you accordingly, you analyzed the same way you used to analyze before when you got your payout, when you got funded, when you passed phase 1, when you passed phase 2, you traded the same way. It's a clear sign that it's not the strategy. As you can see, I've been going back and forth with Equity Edge about my payout. They're saying payout should be processed if all checks are. Guys, I don't know how to feel about the risk interview, but story for another day. It's been long, man. I don't like waiting for so long for my payout. And not to mention, my funded account is freezed for how long? It's been safe to say 25 days. or 25 to 30 days, whereby I haven't touched and traded the funded account.
I'm tired, boss.
I think the last time I traded it was a while back, beginning of July. So it's crazy business. But I wish there's something that they should work on as a company if they want to grow. But till then, even if my channel grows, I don't think I want to do any promo for them. Like, I don't want to do something that I don't really think, I agree. I want to be fully in, so but story for another day, as I said. But anyway, guys, don't change it if it's not broken. Don't fix it if it's not broken. Fix what's broken, don't fix what's not broken. Basically, that's what I'm saying. But sorry for the yapping, and thank you for tuning into my videos. Let me just look at this email that they sent. So yeah, they saying, rest assured, if all checks are cleared, if all checks are clean, what your PL should be processed. So guys, tomorrow is actually because today is Tuesday, so on today's Wednesday, and I think at the beginning of the video I said which one is this one? Yeah, guys, but anyway, damn, bruh, this thing of being self-employed, guys. Yeah, but so today's Wednesday, tomorrow is actually my day whereby I should be hearing something about my payout. So we'll keep you updated for sure. But I'm gonna be dropping this video on Thursday, I know for sure, but I'm taking this today. So yeah, but anyway, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching my videos. We're growing, guys. We literally went from 0 subscribers to 166 subscribers in a matter of 2 to 3 months. Which is crazy to me, because I don't promote my videos. I don't try. I just do this. This is what I do. I just speak. And I think if you want to get into content creation, just start your content, already, because I kept delaying my process as well. I kept delaying it because I wanted it to be perfect. Initially I wanted to show my face sitting on my desk and what, but then I realized that no, man, we will get to that point. But for now, let me just analyze, because now I'm already buying my office sets. With these payouts that I'm getting, I'm gonna buy this, I'm gonna buy this, I'm gonna buy this, I'm gonna buy that. And even after I buy everything, I'm gonna wait till we reach 800 subscribers. You see, now I'm working through a plan that's already in motion. You understand? So, but yeah, I see that the trade is moving. Yeah, but as I said, guys, we are working through a plan. We are no longer just talking now. The channel is growing. We're taking it to 800 subscribers. Then once we reach 800 to 500 subscribers, somewhere there, 600, that's when we'll show face, especially if also the equipment of the office space are complete and we have reached 800 subscribers. That will be dope. We reach 800 subscribers, everything is set, the office, the lighting, the background, everything is dope. Then we start showing, start chopping it every day. I know that's when the real content will start, because what I'm doing now, I don't think it's actually hard work. I don't think so. It takes consistency, because not everyone can do this every day. Because guys, I'm posting from Monday to Friday, so please feel for me if I'm not consistent. Sometimes if I post late, guys, I also have a life. So editing this video, sometimes it just takes a lot for me. I also go through heartbreaks. Sometimes I fight with my girl. Sometimes I go through family stuff. Sometimes I go through payout delays. Sometimes I take losses. It happens. We are all the same, just that we just chose different paths. But anyway, I know I'm saying this, but yeah, still the beginning though. I know there were too much followers are still coming, too much subscribers are still coming, and yeah, it is still the beginning. I'm not complaining. But anyway, guys, I just executed right here. TP, I'm just gonna put it at the high of this zone. Yeah, just right there. So there's like, I'm risking, because I waited for the market to go down, so I'm risking like $80 for $270. 80 for $270. I could leave it to go to the upside, but I won't. But anyway, we'll keep you updated. Shout out. Trade update, guys. As you can see, we have smashed TP. I wish I had left the markets to do his thing and set my TP way far ahead. I used to do that, but I don't for valid reasons. But anyway, we'll see you in the New York session. Shout out. Yo, what's up, guys? Back again. Now we are in the New York session. First of all, let's just go straight into it. We don't have time, and this session is too volatile, so we don't have time for enjoyment. I'm looking for a sell actually, but I see that the market just broke this high. If it can just pull back into this zone, then I'll look for a sell. But because of the range above there as well, and it just broke this high, I'm just gonna take my buy right here. So stop loss, put it below this level. I'm only gonna take one trade. I don't want to give away my profits of earlier on. We made $270, so on this trade I'm risking $100. So that's all I'm willing to risk. So yeah, that's 1% of my account. So if I was trading a 100k account, I was gonna be risking $1,000. But anyway, we'll get there. Shout out. Keep you updated. Trade update, guys. So as you can see, the market is pushing to the upside, but we are at break even at the moment, so we'll see where the market is pushing. But we're not stressing about anything because we're risking 1%. That's all. Shout out. Yo, trade update, guys. Today was an L, and this L was unavoidable because even if I entered a sell, let me show you guys right here. If I had entered a sell right here, I would have still taken an L because it was gonna take me out and drop. So this L, guys, it's just one of those days, so one of those sessions whereby you just couldn't avoid the L, so you're just gonna take it with the chin. Yes, we would have loved winning both sessions, but we're still up $170 for the day. Anyway, guys, stay blessed. Thank you for tuning in into my videos. Don't let the stress of the market kill you, guys. I know this game is a bit too much sometimes as we are waiting for payouts, and there's just a lot going on, but don't let it get to you. Stay focused. Shout out.